Welcome to this video on the best operating system version to download in order to optimally use the SARS MobiApp. Your Android device, including those using Huawei App Gallery, must have the 5.0 or higher operating system. If you have an Apple device, your iOS must be 10 or higher. To check if you have the correct version of the operating system on your Android device, follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Go to About Phone or Device. Depending on the type of device, you may need to select System Settings first to get to the About Phone device entry. Step 3. Go to Android version to see the current version number of your phone operating system. You will see the version number of your device's operating system. Depending on the type of device, you may need to select Software Information first to get to Android version entry. If the current version is lower than 5, go back to your settings icon and tap Software Update. Some devices may require that you tap System, then Software Update. Then tap on Download or Install to get the latest version. If you have an Apple device, do the following to update iOS. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Tap General to check your current iOS version. Step 3. Tap About. The version number will be shown next to software version. If the current version is lower than 10, you will need to go back to Settings and under General, tap Software Update. When you have installed the latest version of the operating system, you can download the SARS MobiApp from the Google Play Store, Huawei App Gallery or App Store. Congratulations! You are now ready to install and use the SARS MobiApp to interact with SARS.